I'll guide you through how to use 2 Facebook accounts in one phone. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now I'm going to show you 2 methods. If the first one does not work, then you are going to use the second one. So watch the video to the very end. Now the first method is you will need to open your phone setting. Just open your phone settings. Then on the search for dual app. If you cannot see dual app, then you need to search for clone app. Now again, if you do not see clone app, then now you need to search for app twin. As you can see guys, I've already found app twin. So it depends with the type of phone that you are using. For me, I'm using Huawei. So for other phones, you can find dual app or clone app. So if you found it, just tap on it. So in order to use 2 apps, then you need to open the button of Facebook. So I'm going to open the button of Facebook. Then the button is open. Twin app icon has been added to the home screen. Now if you close this one, and you can see Facebook is already there. So I will just take it to the other side so that we may have 2 Facebook app there. So this one is my one account. And if I want to create another account of Facebook, I'll just use this, the other app. As you can see guys, you can create another Facebook account or you can log into another Facebook account. So you can use 2 apps. You can use 2 Facebook accounts in one phone. So if the first method does not work, then I'm going to show you the second one. So you need to close this one and then go to Play Store. Open Play Store. Then on the search for Parallel Space. You will see this app here. Parallel Space app cloning. Ensure that you choose the correct app. So you will click install. Now guys, once you've installed this app in your phone, just click on open. Then agree and continue. Then continue. Then allow. Then allow only while using the app. Then allow. Then tap on start. Then it will bring you to this interface. So you will need to select Facebook. As you can see, WhatsApp has been selected, Messenger, or you can unselect them and only select Facebook. Then click on add to Parallel Space. Then accept. So as you can see, we have Facebook there and also Messenger. So you can use this app from here. In order to use this app, you need to open this Parallel Space and use it from here. So if you open Facebook, so it will ask you to enter your logins. So you can either enter your logins and log in into your different account, or you can create a new account. So you can use this account and also you can use the other account, your normal account of Facebook. So in the same way, you can use 2 Facebook accounts in one phone. Also subscribe to my channel to help me grow my YouTube channel. So I want to thank you and I hope to see you in the next one.